everyone, welcome to Samaraland. Today I will be doing my Glamourfish, which is my mermaid tutorial. So the first thing I've done is I've already prepped and primed my face with some foundation. And now I'm taking my white pencil in Milk from NYX and just putting it all over my eye area and then going over it with NYX Diamond Dust Shadow. And what this is going to do is it's priming my lids to have some very nice bright colors. So now this is basically just a piece of a fishnet. So you just take kind of the foot of a fishnet and put it over your head. And this is going to give you that cool looking scale thing. Yes, this is how we do it. Okay. So next I'm taking my Morph palette in 12P. It's the Brights palette. And I'm going to be using the green and the blues and the purple. And I'm taking my big fluffy shadow brush. And starting with the blue, I'm just kind of tapping it in to the fishnet holes. So when I take it off, it's going to give me that really cool scale effect. So, and basically, you can do whatever you want with this. You can use any colors. You can use metallics. You can use whatever. I'm using these colors because they go with my outfit tonight. So here you see I'm going in with some green, and it blends really nicely. Just kind of keep going back in and do it until you get the brightness that you want. So I'm doing some green around my temples, and you can also do it wherever you want. You don't have to put it where I'm putting it. You can put it someplace else. If you just want scales across your nose, like freckles, whatever, you can put it there. There we go. And see, I now have scales. And when you take off the fishnet, make sure you kind of pull it out and up. Don't drag it off your face, because then you've just ruined all of your work. So now I'm going back to my eyes with some purple shadow, because I love purple. I love purple eyeshadow. So I'm doing the purple shadow and kind of just dragging it up almost to my brows and going underneath my eyes with a smaller, more precise brush, more compact brush, just to get that all around look. There's Doug. Hi, Doug. And now I'm taking some green shadow and I'm going over my eyebrows. Now, I did not white out my eyebrows. Sometimes I white out my eyebrows, but with this look, I just kind of brushed over them with a little bit of concealer just to give them the powder something to hold on to. So tonight I'm making my brows green. You can make them whatever color you want. So I was doing that. Now I'm going in with some black shadow just in the corners of my eyes, give a little more drama. And now some white sparkle dust on the inner corners and my eyelids. And that's also just another layer, because there's going to be glitter going over that. And now I am taking my NYX glitter primer and a small brush, and I'm just brushing it onto my eyebrows where I put the green. And now I'm going in with my green glitter, and I'm going to take my tissue and put it right over my eyes so I don't get green glitter everywhere. And just pack that green glitter into my eyebrows. Nice glittery green eyebrows. You can do this with any color. I do it all the time. It's a really cool effect and really quite simple, kind of, once you get the hang of it. Match it to your wig. Your brows should match your wig. Okay, now I'm going onto my lids with some NYX holographic glitter and a little bit in the corners of my eyes. I also put the NYX primer under that. So you just take the NYX primer and put it wherever you want glitter. And it really holds it. The stuff is really good. I like it a lot. And it's very inexpensive. It's like $5. Okay, now I'm putting on my lashes. Nothing extreme, just a regular fab lash. And then going over with a little bit of black eyeliner. I'm just going to do a little bit of a cat eye for some extra drama, because you can never have enough drama. Now I'm taking my eyelash glue and doing what I do, adhering jewels to my face because you can never have enough jewels on your face. And I'm going to put them by my eyes and in the middle of my head and finish off with some mascara. And now my purple NYX lip liner. Now you can see I've transformed into a mermaid. And I mean, the mermaid look, the essential thing is just the fishnet over your face. So put a fishnet over your face. Oh, now I'm using this really cool Kat Von D purple sparkle lipstick. It's her lip tattoo. Oh, it's amazing. Stays put. There I am in all my mermaid glory. Glory. Go be a mermaid. It's fun. Bye-bye.